You might have dentures that you hate, you might have a loose tooth, maybe even a missing tooth and you need a replacement. Mini dental implants are a great option to get your smile back to looking great. You've heard us talk about them before, and you've heard us talk about this man, Dr. Richard Boatman from Troy Family Dental. He is here once again to explain the benefits of these mini dental implants. And I always like to go back because I don't take for granted that everybody's watching all the time and really doesn't understand. They haven't had, some of us are very fortunate and haven't had to deal with anything like this. But we get to a time in our lives where we're missing some teeth, or a tooth had to come out, or maybe something got broken or whatever else. There's all new technology for replacing these teeth that, you know, we didn't have back when we were kids.
Not at all.
Yeah.
No, it's amazing.
So we went from bridges and building stuff in to dental implants, which was something of a kind of a big deal. It
is.
Yeah, but now the mini dental implants.
It's a bigger
are like
deal.
Bada boom, bada bing, and you're out of here.
Smaller, bigger.
Yeah.
It's a bigger deal.
Right, it's a bigger
Absolutely.
deal.
Yeah, they're amazing. There are so many great benefits over traditional implants. They're much smaller implants, so they're minimally invasive. We're going to minimally invasive in medical and dental cost-wise. For patients, there are a lot of patients that can't afford traditional implants, so these are a great alternative for patients who can't.
Well, talk about the application. Where can we use? What can we use mini dental implants for?
One great application is for patients who have no teeth at all.
Okay.
People really struggle with lower dentures. There's not much to hold on to. They have to use a lot of glue, and they hate that. We can place 4 mini dental implants in less than 10 minutes, and then we can take their denture, put some snaps in it, and we can snap that denture in place. Now they can bite and chew better, and they don't have to use denture glue any longer.
Doesn't have to be glued in. And
Correct.
this can be a contributing factor for people who maybe need to have their teeth, they're just diseased gums and whatever, and need to have those teeth removed.
Yes.
But they don't want to do it because they don't want to go to dentures.
Many people don't want to lose their teeth, but they don't have a choice.
Right.
So we can transition them from losing their teeth. They have to heal for about 6 months, and then we can transition them into the mini implants.
It's a much better situation than dentures.
Much, much better.
Right.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
you talked about the lower, but that's the same thing holds for the upper.
Same thing for the upper, only a little bit better. We can actually remove the palate so that now patients can taste their food better. Many people have a really bad gag reflex, so we can get rid of the gag reflex.
It affects the way you talk.
The way you talk and the way you taste. We can snap that into place, and we can function much, much better. We can also make a small porcelain bridge that can snap into place, which is even smaller and has even better bite power than traditional dentures.
Wow. And if we're just missing a few teeth?
If you have missing 1 or 2 teeth, this is an example of a person missing 3 teeth. We can place these 4 mini implants in less than 10 minutes. About a month later, we can take a bridge, cement it onto the implants. Those become our new tooth roots, and we have our teeth back again.
Now for a layman like me, I can't imagine doing this kind of work, but for somebody like you, this is a pretty easy, on the larger scale of things that you have to do in your business, this is pretty easy.
It's incredibly easy.
And for somebody that's, that you know, has to do it, the less time he has to spend on it, the less he has to charge you. So it makes perfect sense.
It's less chair time, it's less recovery for the patient, it's better all the way around.
And he'd be more than happy to talk to you about this and whether it's right for you. All right, so to make an appointment with Dr. Boatman or Dr. Spencer at Troy Family Dental, call the number on your screen. It is 618-477-8421. Now you can also find them on the web at troyfamilydental.com. And it's family dental. It's a great place to take the kids and have the whole family. So keep that in mind.